Your website might look great, but if it's not ranking, it's useless. When somebody searches for a plumber or a home service in your industry, are you showing up or is your competitor? In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 SEO essentials that are designed to make your website rank higher, get more traffic, and outdo your competitors. Tip number 1, every page needs a title tag. So what is a title tag? A title tag is the first thing that Google looks at. It's what tells Google what the page is about and what it should rank for. For example, a title tag could be plumber in city, then your company name. Now that's a simple version of one, but that's exactly what we're telling Google that the page is about. Tip number 2. Do you have a dedicated page for every one of your core services? A generic services page isn't good enough. You need to take down every service that you do and make them their own individual page with unique content on every one of those pages. If you offer drain cleaning, water heater replacement, and pipe repair, those should be 3 separate pages, each with its own unique content. Tip number 3, do you have location-specific pages for every one of the sub-cities that you service? If you only have one page for your main city, you are definitely missing out on a traffic opportunity. So do this. Create a page for every one of the sub-cities that you service. Tip number 4, plumber, you have brand pages for every with brand unique content that you service that talks about customers search for unique brands and the services you provide brand in it. Water heater replacement. So having a brand specific page helps you target those hot leads. Tip number 5 is every page on your website using unique content. Make sure your website isn't copying your competitors in your area. Also, make sure you're not reusing the same content from every single page and only changing the name of the service. As I mentioned before, Google wants to see unique content, and a lot of it for that matter. So make sure every page that you work on has unique content. Tip number 6, is your website ranking for the most important keywords? You should be ranking for terms like city, plumber, city, HVAC repair, or even emergency plumber, city. If you're not ranking for the most important keywords, you are losing out on traffic. Now you can use programs such as Ahrefs, Bright Local, and an assortment of others to track your keywords. If you don't want to get into the software game, just install Google Search Console and you can search it there for free. Tip number 7. Are you constantly publishing new content and driving those inbound links? SEO isn't set it and forget it. Google rewards those who are constantly pushing out new and unique content. It also favors those who are getting backlinks coming to that unique content. That is links that point from other websites back to your website. Another thing, are you blogging? Are you getting citation sources from other directories online? Places that aren't on your website that all point back to you. Constantly publishing new and valuable content is what signals Google that your website matters. So, if you're missing any of these tips, you're likely leaving a lot of traffic on the table. If you want us to check where your website stands, let's get you on a lead flow accelerator session where we can look into your SEO, we can look into your paid ads, we can look at your overall marketing strategy and find areas of improvement that will really accelerate your growth in the coming year. We'll see you there.